Alright, I just went down to the river, got some water. There's a little spill. Oops. Alright, as you can see, the house did not fall down last night. We had some pretty heavy frickin' winds, but thankfully, well, she's still upright. Still upright. Roof hasn't collapsed. Take a look inside. Ooh, hey Dad. Alright. You can see I've built up the wall and all that stuff. I guess the cross members helped and the cross bracing, because it's still standing. Okay, old good wood, new good wood. We've got it set level with the whole floor. We got a level floor. We kept some old timber that was good. We got some new timber in now. We're getting ready to do that wall there. We're gonna put another, well, a joist like 3x6 across it. We're gonna fasten it to the good wood there, and then we're gonna give it some support down to the concrete there, and then we're gonna put sills on the concrete underneath it all, so that it's not gonna rot like the rest of it is. So we're replacing slowly but surely all the rotten wood, and we got this whole roof supported by all these temporary supports right now. You can see, taking out the whole thing. We're going to put a 2x4 and then a sideways 3x6 along here, because it's actually two houses joined together as one. If you take a look at it, you'll see two houses joined together as one, with the roof going separate ways. So we got to support all of that at once on this boom, on this wall. So we're going to put a 3x6 flat as our top plate. And she's coming together. This is day 4, and we're already seeing new wood. We're already seeing some stuff done, and I think she's looking good. Now, as I'm discovering over here, this is good wood in here as well. We just need to touch up this corner with something. We need to support the corner there, so I'm gonna put in some wood to support the corner there where it's good, and we're gonna leave that in place. That sill over there is totally getting taken out, and we're gonna put all clean wood in there, and then we're gonna have our joists coming through from good wood here to good wood there, and it'll all be good wood. And then over there, we're going to be forced to put a sideways 3x6, because that's the only thing that'll fit in that hole. So we're going to make sure she's properly secured. I'm going to make sure all the rocks are good and cemented in. And this is looking good. This is a good looking project. We're getting her done. I'm actually happy. Day 4, and we were already putting in clean wood, good wood and stuff, and we've already got a lot of the rot taken out, and you know, I'd say we're a quarter of the way through the job right now, maybe a little more, maybe a third of the way through the job looking at things right now. So, you know, once we get all these rafters here moved over, or once we get all these temporary supports here moved over to the other side, then we can do that wall. That whole wall is rotten and it's coming down, and so yeah, we're gonna put sills in under there, sills in under here. This whole wall needs to be supported, so we can, the whole roof here needs to be supported, so we can take out this whole freaking wall and all the sills and just rebuild all the way back up.